Le seachtain nuas thugan rialta seo faoi gá mór gníomh ar wathe leis an Gaeilge agus ar Gaeltach a chur chun cín an céad tuairisc ar gol chun cín an plán gníomhíochta don Gaeilge ailsú agus bilna teanga fagúla thóir tríd an dara céim sa dal. In é fógraíoch mór gníomh eile don teanga an fógra sa canáisnéis go bhfuil méadú de 23 fan géad le teacht ar bhuiséad na Gaeilge agus na Gaeltachta i 2021. Is léirí seo ile go bhfuil an rialta seo tumanta don teanga chur chun cín ar bhain Ileanda agus sa Gaeltacht ach go háirithe. Leis an gcisteocht freise seo do counter do 14.6 billion euro beag morain first na Gaeilge agus uras agus údras na Gaelta in ann níos mó airgid a gálaigh ar grúpaí pobal ar fud an Ileán a bhfuil obair den sco ar bun acu ar son na teanga. Agus chuig náí mé le cúpla focail fin cursí sport má bhín Dina sásta chun é rá. I'm delighted to announce a provision of 170.4 million for sports and recreational services, including an extra 36 million euro in current and capital funding for Sport Ireland. Within this, the 2020 vision provision will allow for a new round of the Sports Capital Programme to open for applications shortly, with allocations to be made next year. Current funding for Sport Ireland programmes have been increased by 26.25 million, which will enable Sport Ireland to continue to ensure athletes are supported to achieve their potential at the postponed Tokyo Olympics and Paralympics Games, to increase core grant funding for sporting bodies to sustain them through the challenging months to come, and to fund Sport Ireland participation programmes. The capital funding will facilitate a number of developments on the National Sports Campus, including at the National Aquatic Centre. This is a very considerable investment in sport and builds on the extensive support package provided to address the COVID challenges to NGBs and clubs in 2020. I know clubs across the country will be looking forward to a new sports capital programme which will open in the near future, and the increase in the dormant accounts funding will promote and sustain participation in sport and physical activity, particularly in hard-to-reach communities. Tá pobal sport agus Gaeltacht measc na nárlacht is mó builte ag COVID-19. Tá mé monínach go curthaí na Barta agus na tionscanmh a fógraíoch inné ar chumas na nárnálacha seo teacht ar ais thucú féin go scubba ó thioncar na pandéime agus go ggurfa ar gomas fás agus ar ferbert a dhéanamh i 2020. Gur mála go carthaíoch.
Thank you, Minister.